In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new column, or as Trello calls it, a list, to your boards in Trello. Whether you're new to Trello or just looking to expand your existing boards, I'll guide you through the whole process step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're there, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to click on that login button located at the top right corner of the screen. It's hard to miss, so go ahead and give that a click. Now for the login process, Trello makes it super simple by offering you different options. You can log in using your regular email address and password, or if you're like me and prefer something even more streamlined, log in with your Google account. Just choose the method that you usually use and proceed with the login. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Trello home screen. From here, make your way over to the Boards section. You can do this by looking at the navigation bar where it should be listed prominently. Just click on Boards. Within the Boards section, you'll want to look for the Your Workspaces area. This is where your personal and team boards are housed. Take a moment to scan through your options and find the workspace that you'll be working within today. Once you are in the correct workspace, it's time to select the board where you want to add this new column. Perhaps it's your team's project board, or maybe it's a board that you use for personal organization. Whichever it is, click on that board to open it up. With your board now open, look to the right hand side where you will see the option to add list. That's essentially what Trello calls a column. Clicking here will allow you to start the process of adding a new column to your board. Next, you'll need to name your new list, so think about what you want this column to represent. Is it going to be a to-do list, perhaps an in-progress column, or maybe a done column? Once you've decided on a name that makes sense for your workflow, type it in and press enter, and just like that, your new column is added to your Trello board. It's simple, isn't it? By organizing your tasks and projects into these columns, you can visually manage everything with ease, so go ahead, give it a try and see how it enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.